This video is sponsored by My Medici. So this is high quality medical products for you, and more about them later. Hi everyone, my name's Charlotte Bryan and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. This channel is all about giving you dog training tips and advice and tricks and how-to tutorials and all of this other fun stuff. And if you're a returning viewer, then thank you. Your return is very much appreciated. So I'm very excited for our video today. We're going to be teaching our dog how to jump over a bar jump. Now this is a lot of fun. It's a bit of exercise for our dogs. It's something to mentally stimulate them with as well. And it's all around, it's something you can do at home, so it's not just limited to agility dogs. Before we get started, we just need to make sure that our dogs are physically fit and healthy. If you are unsure, then the best advice is to go see your local vet and get their opinion. But we just want to make sure they're in top form before we get started. So you don't need any special equipment really to do this. You can make up some stuff using items you've got around the house. Of course, you can buy the proper equipment. As you see in this video, this is one of my jumps. But you can also buy a cheaper version as well, and I'm going to link those cheaper versions down below for you. To be honest, I use those cheap sets for years, and I've still got bits of them still being used to this day, so they do last a long time, and they are quite good for the price that they are, you guys. So let's get started. So step one to get started, we just want to make sure that our dog's comfortable going through the two wings of the jump, so they're the two upright poles on the side. Now to do that, we put the bar on the ground, we lure our dog through. We don't want to say anything yet because we don't want to put pressure on our dog. We don't want to start distracting them with our voice. I don't even use the word yes. I don't use my verbal marker. I use a clicker instead, just to eliminate myself as a distraction, and it now enables my dog to focus on the task at hand. So we're luring across, not saying anything, just rewarding when our dog steps over. Now we increase the bar, she's doing great. And we just raise it to the first notch, and as she goes through, we click and reward. Now I tend to mix up whether I walk around mid-wing or I go straight over the jump. I'm not too fussed at this stage. I'm not too fussed about her sitting down or moving or whatever. I just want her to get used to going over the bar and learning that as soon as she steps over, she gets the click and she gets the reward. So mix it up, go and jump on different sides, go over yourself, go over the middle, and yeah, just keep rewarding, building it up, making sure it's really fun. So we do want to start incorporating some toys as well, especially as our dog gets more active. But the more active they are, the more we want to rely on the toys rather than the food, and that's just because we don't want our dog running too heavy on a full stomach. We've got some issues there. Nice big rewards there. She's doing very, very well. Very good. Throw in a sit occasionally, I don't really mind. Yes, and rewarding, very nice. She's doing great. And she's doing great. So you can see each time she's just being clicked and rewarded as she goes through. And this is the moment, as you can see, where she destroys the toy. So that's, might need a new toy. But yeah, no, that was really good. So step one, guys, in starting to introduce the jump, we just want to make sure that our dog becomes confident stepping over that jump. Once they're confident, then we can start adding in our word. Once they're really willingly jumping over, we can start to say jump or over or up or fly, whatever you like. But something that just means yes, jump over, and pair that cue with it. You just want to go jump and then walk past, encourage your dog to jump over and click and reward or use your yes marker. And then we'll start building it up from there. So that's just the basic to begin with, and we'll keep progressing from there. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, it would really help if you liked the video and ideally subscribe to the channel. Of course, it does help us out and I would really appreciate it. Other than that though, I will see you in the next video. Thanks, bye. I'd like to thank today's sponsor, My Medici, for making this video possible. My Medici offer medical products for consumers, and you can visit their website at mymedici.com.au.